Hi, this is Johannes Krieger with Senshi-Knives, and in this video I'm not going to make a knife, but show you how I forge my roses. I start out with a 3mm thick plate of steel, from which I cut a 50mm wide strip. I proceed with cutting out variably wide petals and rounding over their top edges. Now it is off to the forge and hammering the petals really flat while watching out for the joints on the bottom to not hit them, because this would cause the strip to fall apart. After a little texturing of the outside petals, the next step is to roll the strip up. For this, I use a small hammer and start out with bending the first petal on a convex shape. After that, I come in with my hot cut tool, which got a nice sharp corner, to fold the first petal over and start rolling it up. From here it gets a lot easier to roll up the rest of the strip. After the stem is nicely textured, I weld it to the bottom, then I weld it together as well, so it is easier to handle. I proceed with rounding over the bottom edges, now that I have a nice strong grip. Now it is on to the shaping of the petals. For that, I use a variety of tongs and a little punch. This step requires some practice to get a good feeling what is needed to make this rose look as real as possible. In the end, the only thing left is to give it a good scrub with a wire brush and add some WD-40 on the still hot piece for a nice protective layer, which also gives it a wonderful scent. And the rose is finished. If you have any questions or feedback, please leave them in the comment section down below. Have a nice one!